Good morning, Steve Reed with the Morning Grain Comments. Markets are lower overnight, led by the wheat market. I think there's some profit taking. Turnaround Tuesday is an old saying at the border trade, especially after limit up moves in the wheat market this early in the growing season. After the close, the USDA dropped winter wheat crop ratings 2 percentage points to 27. Most were looking for a slight gain. We also note that corn and soybean spring wheat plantings made some good advances, but they're still well behind last year and average. Weather-wise, looks like wet conditions across the Midwest and Northern Plains over the next, let's say, 10 to 12 days. Southern Plains is warm and dry. Europe is dry in the south, but Germany is getting some rains, and South America remains dry. The USDA has a big challenge ahead of themselves. After India banned wheat exports, we would expect Black Sea wheat exports to be less than what the USDA is saying, and also some of the importers like Iraq, Iran, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and maybe even India probably are going to need to buy more wheat than what the USDA is saying. Over in the corn, I think that the issues continue to be that U.S. corn demand is going to be better than what the USDA is saying. So that 177 corn yield is a must. And with late planting, some people think that will lose acres and also corn yield. And we're unable to push through contract ties in corn, but in the July. But I do think that prices are undervalued given higher demand and lower supply. Over in the bean market, again, we're trying to figure out Chinese demand. Their retail sales were lower than expected. There is some hope that they might ease some of their COVID lockdowns, and that could increase demand for commodities. We've got the stock market higher, dollar lower, crude's higher at 115, and so I think the stage is set down the road for higher commodity prices. The question mark is how high do we go if there's a possibility of a slowdown in global economies. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.